If f of x equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1, x is not equal to plus or minus 1, then verify f inverse of x equal to x. So solution, here f of x given, but here we have to find f inverse of x. So first f inverse of x we have to find. So f of x equal to, suppose we are, let f of x equal to y. So x equal to f inverse of y. Here f of x value given x minus 1 by x plus 1 equal to y. By using compound division method, dividend method, x minus 1 plus x plus 1 by y plus 1 by y minus 1. So x minus 1 minus x plus 1, that equal to x minus 1 plus x plus 1 by x minus 1 minus x plus 1 equal to y plus 1 by y minus 1. So here minus 1 cancel and minus x cancel. Here minus 1. Minus into plus minus. So here 2x by minus 2 equal to y plus 1 by y minus 1. 2 cancel. So minus x equal to y plus 1 by y minus 1. So minus x value we find. So x equal to y plus 1 by minus, here minus taking minus value change చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 1 minus y అవుతుంది. సో f of x equal to this one. So x equal to f inverse of y. So f inverse of y equal to y plus 1 by 1 minus y. సో ఇక్కడ మనం y values ప్లేస్లో x value substitute చేసినట్లయితే f of x equal to x plus 1 by 1 minus x. So this is x inverse of x. So we know f of x value and f inverse of x value, then we have to find f inverse of x. So here f inverse of x equal to x plus 1 by 1 minus x. So here in place of f of x place లో ఈ వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో x plus 1 by 1 minus x minus 1 by x plus 1 by 1 minus x plus 1. So here taking LCM, x plus 1 minus of 1 minus x by x plus 1 by 1 minus x plus 1. So here taking LCM by plus 1 minus x, that equal to, here numerator 1 minus x by, sorry, x plus 1 by minus of 1 minus x by 1 minus x by x plus 1 plus 1 minus x by 1 minus x. So here x plus 1, 1 minus x cancel, and minus 1 plus x by, here minus x cancel, equal to 2. Here minus 1 cancel. 2x by 2 equal to x. Therefore f of f inverse of x equal to x. Hence proved. if A equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and B equal to alpha, beta and gamma and C equal to set of P, Q, R and F from A to B and F from A to B and G from B to C are defined by F of F equal to set of ordered pair 1 comma alpha, 2 comma gamma and 3 comma beta and G equal to set of ordered pair alpha comma Q and beta comma R and gamma comma P. These are given. So we have to find, show that F and G are bijective. Show that F and G are bijective. Bijective functions. And second condition, G of F inverse equal to F inverse of G inverse. Solution. First, we draw 3 functions first. This is A, B, C. So, A loni elements 1, 2, 3 given. B elements alpha, beta, gamma and C elements P, Q, R. These are given and F from A to B. F from A to B and G from B to C. So here function also given F equal to 1 to alpha, 2 to gamma and 3 to beta. Next G function alpha to Q and beta to R and gamma to P given. Okay. We have to prove F and G are bijections. F and bijections means F function should satisfy injection and surjection. First, bijection అవ్వాలి అంటే అది ఇంజెక్షన్ సర్జెక్షన్ అవ్వాలి. ఇంజెక్షన్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఇంజెక్షన్ ఏంటి? డిటర్మినెంట్స్ distinct elements in A have distinct elements in B. A లోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి Bలోని ఎలిమెంట్కి Aలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఉండాలి, Bలో ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఉండాలి. సో ఇక్కడ 1 నుంచి ఆల్ఫాకి మనకి ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఉంది, 2 టు గామా ఇమేజ్ ఉంది, 3 టు ఆల్ఫా ఇమేజ్ ఉంది. సో ఇంజెక్షన్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేసింది. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సర్జెక్షన్ అంటే రేంజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కోడమైన్. రేంజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కోడమైన్ అంటే ఏలో ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి ప్రతి ఇమేజ్ బి అనే కోడొమైన్లో ప్రతి ఇమేజ్ రేంజ్ అనేది ఉండాలి. అంటే కోడొమైన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రేంజ్. సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు బి. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ అనే సెట్ నుంచి ప్రతి సెట్ నుంచి మనకి రేంజ్ ఫామ్ అయ్యింది. అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ కూడా మనకి ఇమేజ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మనకి కోడొమైన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రేంజ్. సో సర్జెక్షన్ ఆల్సో సాటిస్ఫై. సో ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ సాటిస్ఫైస్ బైజెక్షన్ కండిషన్. అలాగే సెకండ్ జీ. సో ఎఫ్ సాటిస్ఫైస్ బైజెక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ జీ. జీలో కూడా మనకి ఆల్ఫా టు క్యూ అండ్ బీటా టు ఆర్, గామా టు పి ప్రతి బిలోని ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి సిలో ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఉంది. సో ఇంజెక్షన్ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయింది. అలాగే మనకి రేంజ్ అండ్ కోడొమైన్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. హియర్ రేంజ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు సి. సో ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు సి అంటే రేంజ్ కోడొమైన్ ఈక్వల్ అయింది కాబట్టి మనకి జీలో కూడా సర్జెన్షన్ అయింది జీ అనేది. సో జీ సాటిస్ఫైస్ బైజెక్షన్ కండిషన్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం g of f inverse equal to f inverse of g inverse. So first we have to find f of g value. So f of g equal to set of f of g equal to function g of f from a to c. So here domain are a and codomain equal to c. So here a to c equal to 1 to 1 mapping 1 to alpha to q. So 1 to q, one set form in ordered pair 1 comma q, and again 2 to gamma to p. So 2 comma p. Next 3 to beta to gamma. So 3 comma gamma. So g of f equal to complete. Next we have to find g of f inverse. So here inverse లో డొమైన్ లో ఎలాంటి చేంజ్ ఉండదు. ఓకే. f of f inverse equal to g of f inverse equal to మనకి డొమైన్స్ కోడొమైన్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. q, 1 అండ్ p, 2 r, 3. So here and again we have to find f inverse of g inverse. First we have to find f inverse. ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి, డొమైన్ కోడొమైన్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో హియర్ 1 comma alpha becomes alpha comma 1 and gamma comma 2 and beta comma 3 and g inverse equal to set of q comma ordered pair q comma alpha and r comma beta and p comma gamma. So f inverse of g inverse equal to, we draw one diagram. Here f inverse g inverse వాల్యూ మన సెట్లో ఫామ్ చేద్దాం. b ఈక్వల్ టు ఆల్ఫా బీటా గామా అండ్ c ఈక్వల్ టు p q r. నెక్స్ట్ f inverse ఈక్వల్ టు 1 to alpha 2 to gamma beta to beta to 3 and g inverse equal to q comma alpha and r comma beta and p comma gamma. So f inverse this one g inverse a b c. So f inverse of g inverse from c to a. So here ordered pair, first one p to R2 2 R2 1 gamma. So Q2 alpha, once you check, F inverse of G inverse equal to C to A. So P2 or R2 2. So P comma 2. And again Q2 alpha to 1. So Q comma 1 ordered pair. Like that R2 beta to 3. So therefore F inverse of G inverse is equal to here this one. So that equal to Q comma ordered pair Q comma 1 and P comma 2 and R comma 3. These two are equals. Therefore G of F inverse is equal to F inverse of G inverse. Hence proved. F from R to R, G from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2 and g of x equal to x square plus 1. We have to find the values of G circle F inverse of 2 and second G circle F of x minus 1. So first problem, here function R to R, G function also R to R and f of x value and g of x value given. So we have to find g of f inverse of 2. So here we know f value and g value, but we don't know f inverse value. So we have to find first f inverse. So f inverse of x, f of x equal to, let f of x equal to y. So x equal to f inverse of y. But x value given 3x minus 2 equal to y. So 3x equal to y plus 2. X equal to y plus 2 by 3 transpose this side become denominator. So x value get. So x equal to f inverse of y equal to y plus 2 by 3. ఇక్కడ y place లో x substitute చేస్తే f inverse of x equal to y plus 2 by 3. Now we have to find this value. So g of f inverse of 2 equal to g of f inverse of 2. So g of f inverse lo, sorry, yeah, x y. So f inverse x place lo 2 substitute change. So 2 plus 2 by 3 that equal to g of 4 by 3. G of x value given here. So ఇక్కడ ఈ x ప్లేస్ లో 4 by 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో 4 by 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 4 జా 16 అండ్ 3 3 జా 9 ప్లస్ 1 దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 16 ప్లస్ 9 by 16 plus 9 by 9 that equal to 25 by 9. This is the g of f inverse of 2 value. Again second problem, g of f of x minus 1. So g of f of x minus 1. So you can write g of f of x minus 1. Here g of f of x place లో x minus 1 substitute చేయాలి. So 3 into x minus 1 minus 2. So here g into 3x minus 3 minus 2. So here g of 3x minus 5. So ikkada x place lo g of x lo x place lo ee value substitute cheyali. So 3x minus 5 whole square plus 1. So we know by using a minus b whole square formula equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are using this formula here. So a square means 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into 5 plus 5 square minus 1. That equal 9x square minus 5 is 10, 10 3 is 30x plus 5 5 is 25 minus 1. So 9x square minus 30x plus 24. So g of f of x minus value. Fourth problem. F equal to set of ordered pair 1 comma a and 2 comma c and 4 comma d and 3 comma b. And g inverse equal to set of ordered by 2 comma a, 4 comma b, 1 comma c and 3 comma d given. So we have to show that g of f inverse equal to f inverse of g inverse. So first here f of x value, f value given, here g inverse value given. So here f inverse, g inverse both given and g also, g of f. G also we have to find first f inverse value. F inverse means domain or codomain will change. So range and domains will change. So a comma 1 and c comma 2 and d comma 4 and b comma 3. This is f inverse. And g equal to, we have to find g value also. Here range and domains will change. So here a comma 2 comma b comma 4 comma c comma 1 and d comma. So first g of f, we have to find first g of f value. A, B, C. So here A equal to f equal to 1 to b. 1, 2, 3, 4. And b values A, C, D, B. So A, B, C, D. And C value here A and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So f equal to 1 to A, 2 equal to 2 to C, and 3 to B, 4 to D. Like that, G value A to 2, B to 4, C to 1 and D to 3. By using this, so this is F function, this is G function. So this is G of F function from A to C. So here First, A equal to domain. First we have to write domains 1 to A to 2. So 1 to 2 and 2 to C to 1. Next 3 to B to 4 and 4 to D to 3. This is f of g value. So g of f inverse equal to set of change domain and range. So 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3 and 3, 4. So next, f inverse of g inverse we have to find. So here first A, B, C. So here A and C are 1, 2, 3, 4 domains 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to A, B, C, D. So here F inverse equal to A to 1. So F inverse from B to A will. So A to 1. So A to 1, C to 2 and B to 4, D to 4 and B to 3. And G inverse equal to 2 to A, G 2 to A and 4 to B and 1 to C and 3 to D. So this is F inverse and this is G inverse. Next, this function mapping from A to C. So F inverse of G inverse from C to A. So here we have to find F inverse of G inverse. So here C is domain. So 1 to C, C to 2. So 1, 2. 1 to C, C to, okay. 1, 2 and second 2 to A to 1. 2, 1 and 4 to B, B to 3. 4, 3 and 3 to D, D to 4. So 3, 4. So here F inverse of G of F of F inverse equal to G circle F inverse equal to F inverse circle G inverse. So we proved that. So G of F inverse equal to F inverse of G inverse. Hence proved. వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, లేదంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఫిఫ్త్ ప్రాబ్లం. లెట్ ఎఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ టు ఆర్, జీ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ టు ఆర్ డిఫైన్డ్ బై ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x minus 3 comma g of x equal to x cube minus 5. We have to find f of g inverse of x. Solution. F of x value, g of x value given. So we have to find this value. So first we have to find f of g value. F of g of x equal to f of g of x. So f of g of x value x cube minus 5. ఈ వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ xలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో సో 2 into x cube minus 5 minus 3. So here 2 into x cube, 2x cube minus 5, 2s are 10 minus 7. So here 2x cube minus 17, 3, sorry, 3, 13. F of g inverse of x we have to find. First equal to y. So y equal to f of g inverse of x. So 2x cube minus 13 equal to y. 2x cube equal to y plus 13. X cube equal to y plus 13 by 2. So x equal to cube root of y plus 1 by 13 by 2. So here y equal to x equal to f inverse of y. So here x equal to f of g inverse of y equal to cube root of y plus 13 by 2. That equal to x, y place లో x substitute చేసినట్లయితే f of g of inverse of x equal to cube root of x plus 13 by 2. F of x equal to x square comma g of x equal to 2 power x. Then solve the equation. F of g of x equal to g of f of x. Solution. F of x value and g of x value given. Man దీన్ని solve చేయాలి. So f of g of x equal to g of f of x equal to, so here f of g of x equal to g of f of x. So f of g of x equal to 2 power x and g of f of x equal to x square. So f లో x place లో ఈ వాల్యూ, g లో x place లో ఈ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. సో 2 power x whole square equal to 2x mm, 2x square. So here bases are equal. So one time 2 power of x square, 2 power of x square, 2 power of x square, and here 2x whole square. So bases are equal here. So x square equal to time okay. So here 2x whole square equal 2x whole square. So here 2x square. So here x square to 2x whole square equal to 2x into 2x, x into 2 equal to 2x. So here 2 into x square. So bases are equal. So x square equal to 2x. So x equal to plus or minus root 2x. Sorry. Plus or minus root 2x. X minus 2x, x square minus. So x square minus 2x equal to 0. X in x common తీసినట్లయితే x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x equal to 2 values. Next, 7th problem.